Model Man Frank here. How you guys doing? Just a little. I showed you guys this video of this aircraft when I had some issues with it. This is another little Cub that I got from the club. Somebody had donated. They left servos in it, and I've been flying it a lot lately. There's a video that you can follow in on my playlist. I'll put the link for it in the description below. But it came with no motor, but I had to build a motor mount for it. So this is what I came up with from a stick, the flying stick. And I built its own motor mount and such. And it had a motor just like this one, but the shaft was bent. And as the plane would fly, it would actually sound like a propeller plane. It would go like making a vibration noise. So the other motor actually stopped working. So I got this one actually on Amazon for $14.99, $15.99. I had to solder on my own bullets for it to hook it up to the ESC, and I'm now putting the plane back together. The plane had actually previously fallen down, and I had to glue the mounting bracket for the wing back on. Right now it's going back together slowly, but yeah, this is the plane as it stands, and then there's the wing right here, and here's the cowling. It looks like a Super Cub. Once it's all together, it looks pretty cool. I don't know who built it from our club, but he did a really cool job to it. It's got a couple of little bangs and dinks around in places, but it flies really good. I'll put another video out of it flying when I get it back up in the air. Hopefully next week it'll be back up in the air, and I can get back to building the Club Cub, and I can also get back to building the Bird of Time. I took a break from the Bird of Time for just a moment. I had to get some parts for it, for the rudder assembly. I'm sorry, for the stabilizer, vertical stabilizer assembly. So, but yeah, this is I'll call this a red Super Cub basically, and it takes off. I don't have to throw it, which is great. It's got enough power. I'm using on the prop. This prop I'm using, it's an 8x6, so it's got a good pitch to it, and I'm telling you, it flies phenomenal. It looks real when it's flying. I can't wait to show you guys another video of the plane flying, and I'll put that video up as soon as I do. Next week, hopefully I can fly it again. So, as you see it now, I also had to glue on the tail wheel because it had flopped around a little bit. But yeah, I think it's going to be it's a really cool little airplane. I got a 30 amp ESC. The battery power that I use on this 30 amp is a 1300 three cell 11, and yeah, with an 8.6 prop and a good little hub, it flies really cool. So that's for this one. That's it for now. Hope you guys, if you like it, please like and subscribe to the videos and share the videos. To the 95 of you who are following me right now, thank you so very much for following me. I really do appreciate it. Again, like and share the videos with your friends or your other fellow club members. Enough for now. Model Man Frank out.